How to enable Messenger chat heads on iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will guide you on how to activate Messenger chat heads on your iPhone. If you're using an iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS device, make sure to follow these steps carefully without skipping the video. Steps to enable Messenger chat heads. Check network connection. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Ensure your network connection is stable. Enable notifications for Messenger. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Find and select Messenger from the list. Turn on Allow Notifications. Enable notifications for lock screen, Notification Center, and banners. Tap on Banner Style and select Temporary. Go back to the previous screen. Click on Notification Grouping and select Automatic. Messenger App Settings. Open the Messenger app. Tap on the three-line menu, Equals, in the top left corner. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Turn off notifications and then turn them back on. Tap on Text Tone, select your preferred tone, and go back. By following these steps, you can easily enable Messenger chat heads on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.